Hi, so I called Weber, and as I mentioned in my last video, in the update comment section, they said that they believe the problem is with the auger assembly, the auger motor. And today I just received this assembly from Weber. It includes the auger motor, the pellet chute that feeds the auger itself and its housing, and they also sent some instructions on how to do it. I suspect that these instructions were meant for their technicians as opposed for customers, but I believe I can do it. I have no issue doing that. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna empty the hopper. I will need to take out actually not just the door but the whole hopper, and I will install this whole assembly. It's a more involved job than the original assembly of the SmokeFire. They offered me that, they said if I have an issue doing it, they'll be scheduling a technician to come, but they said it's a much faster process if I just do it myself. I'll go ahead, do that, and we'll see how it goes. I have just finished installing the auger assembly that they sent me. I have also finished cleaning the bottom of the smoker from all the ash and any fat residue, although I did not really cook much last time, only 2 hours. You can see here the old auger and the old chute that was sent. What I'm gonna do right now is reinstall all the internals and I'll try it. Okay, I decided to actually check it before I put all the internal parts so I can see if the auger was assembled correctly, how it moves, and if we will be having fire as planned. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna turn it on and try it at a 600 degrees and see if it's gonna heat up or not. I'm gonna time again how long it's gonna take it. So let me put it at 600 degrees and see what will happen. The auger is turning. I can hear the fan. Let's check on the glow plug. So no problem with the assembly, at least. The glow plug is turning red, which is good. I'm gonna take this in real time to see really how long it's gonna take the pellets to get into the fire pot. As soon as I see pellets, they're starting to, yeah, I can see the pellets now. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause it now so I can put the heat diffuser, the baffle, and the heat diffuser on top. I have started the grill about 3 minutes ago. I can see smoke. I put the internals down. I'm gonna close the lid now and see if the temperature is gonna start coming up, and then I will report on that. The grill has been on for 5 minutes now. The temperature is coming up. That's a really good sign. Let's wait and see what will happen. As I was removing the whole hopper to install the auger assembly, the motor and the chute, I took the chance to remove this guard. I've seen on other YouTube videos that this can help have better flow and avoid the bridging issues in the hopper. I will wait and see how this will work. I'm not gonna cook anything on it today, but tomorrow is Saturday and I will do a cook on it. I did not try yet. I did not decide yet what to do, but once I decide, I'll cook something and we'll see what happens. We are now 9 minutes into the cooking, to the starting time, and the temperature is coming up. It's 295 and we have very visible flame. The flame is on both sides this time. It's not just to the right. That's good. I don't know if that's the effect of something we did or not, but that's good. Temperature is coming up fast. Hi, so I finished that heating up cycle up to 600 and it took about 18 minutes to reach 600. I shut down the whole grill and I went had dinner, and now it's 10 p.m. actually. The ambient temperature right now is 27 here in Utah, and I thought I'm gonna try that one more time. However, instead of trying to reach 600 this time, I set the target temperature at 250 and I expected it to get there in about 10 or 12 minutes. I was surprised that it took 22 minutes to get to 250. Now think about that. It took us 18 minutes to get to 600 earlier today when it was 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it took us 23 minutes to get to 250. But it's not just the ambient temperature. What I noticed is the flame was never as big as we saw it when we were trying to reach 600. I never saw the big flame shooting to both sides. What that tells me is that there is a programming inside this SmokeFire that adjusts the flame to the set temperature so that it does not try to go super hot then cools down, which is a good thing, except that basically it took me the same time, a little bit more, to reach 250 than it took me to reach 600. So it's good to keep that in mind. I'm gonna call it good now. I tried it twice, once to 600, once to 250. Everything seems to be good. I'm gonna plan another cook tomorrow. I think I'll be smoking some chicken, maybe something else. We'll find out tomorrow. Thank you for watching and keep watching for our next video. Thank you.